In this video, I'll show you how to share files on OneDrive with external users step by step so you can send files or folders to people outside your organization without confusion. This is a quick and practical guide, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a shareable link, choose the right permissions, and make sure the right people can access your content. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your web browser. You can go directly to the OneDrive website and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your files and folders dashboard. Now, look for the file or folder you want to share with someone outside your team or company. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, a photo folder, or any other file you want to send. Select the item by clicking once on it, or if you prefer, you can right-click it depending on the layout you're using. After selecting the file or folder, click the Share button at the top of the page. This opens the sharing settings where you can control who gets access and what they can do with the file. If you want to share with external users, click the option that says anyone with the link can view, or go into link settings if you want more control. This is an important step because not all OneDrive sharing links are the same. Some organizations restrict external sharing, so if you don't see the option right away, you may need to enable external sharing first or check your account permissions. Once the link settings are open, review the access options carefully. You'll usually see choices like Can View and Can Edit. If you want someone to simply open and read the file, choose Can View. If you want them to make changes, choose Can Edit. Be careful with edit access, especially if the file is important or shared with multiple people, because external users with edit permissions can modify the content. After choosing the correct permission level, click Apply to save the settings. OneDrive will then update the sharing link based on your selection. Next, click Copy Link to copy the shareable link to your clipboard. This is the link you can send to any external user by email, chat, or message. You can also click Send if you want to enter their email addresses directly inside OneDrive and invite them that way. If you're sharing with someone outside your organization, make sure the email address is correct and that your sharing policy allows external access. Once the link is copied, paste it into your email or message and send it to the person who needs access. When they open the link, they'll be able to view or edit the file depending on the permissions you selected. That's really all there is to it. You've now shared a OneDrive file or folder with external users in just a few simple steps. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to double check your sharing settings so you know exactly who has access and whether they can view or edit the file. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.